Alright, we are heating up the nut to try to get it to break loose. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get this bolt out of here.
Yeah.
And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to.
Yeah.
We'll see how successful we are at it.
Alright, we got one. We got that one loosened up. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one. And he's trying to get the back row now.
Okay. What you want to do, you want to get the bolts loosened, then you want to tighten them up again.
Yes, sir.
So that it doesn't put, because the manifold can flex a little bit.
Right.
And it'll put unnecessary strain on the other bolts that you're trying to take out.
Right, okay.
So that's what we're doing now. Trying to.
Yeah. Unless you want a smaller hammer. We have it somewhere.
Got it.
Yeehaw. Yay. I can pull it out if you want.
Yeah. Yeah. I was spent 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Not less. Yeah, I was completely spent.
Alright folks, that's how it's done. Ago. There you go.
Okay.
Now we just gotta replace this.
We gotta clean all this gasket off. And
all yeah, this one just peeled off.
We gotta clean all these gaskets off and all that gasket off of there too.
Right, yes sir.
Our manifold is a little bit eroded. We're trying to put the exhaust manifold gasket in there. We ran into a little trouble with some bolts and stuff, but we're making great progress, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're having to file it down
to get it flat again. Yeah, we're making it flat again. It kind of got eroded from all the weather. So it has to be flat in order to seal. You want to take off enough material where it's going to seal again.
Right.
Whoops!
Don't do that, guys.
Yeah, don't drop it, because we'll definitely have to buy a new one if you drop it and break it.
Yeah.
You know, probably it wouldn't break, but
yeah.
Hello, YouTube land. We're talking about this over here, and we changed the exhaust manifold gasket and the exhaust manifold because it was leaking really bad, and we had a lot of interesting fun on it. Needless to say, too much fun, way too much. But anyway, we managed to get it done, and yeah, we had one broken off bolt, but it broke off so that there was some bolt sticking out of the head, and Mark put a slot in it and tried to screwdriver. That didn't work. Then he found a 1/4-inch drive socket, and he hammered it on there. Yeah, this is what he did to the, and it just came right out after he did that. It's amazing. It's so amazing what you can do if you just put your mind to it. Huh?
Yeah. And there's the new part in there. Hopefully you guys can see in there. It says China on this one.
Yeah. It's a Dodge from China. No, just the manifold. Well, they figured that they could make money because these Dodge manifolds, they just wear out and they get warped and they rust and then they're no good. They make a lot of noise. And
Yeah.
so that's why we're replacing this, because there was a terrible noise.
Yeah,
And
it
I'm
was
hoping
loud.
that we're gonna get rid of that terrible noise.
Yeah, I hope so.
Me too.
He got a new cover.
Well, we got that came with the new manifold, and so
He's gotten it all pretty tight up. He's just gonna torque it all. But yeah, it's pretty simple, really simple. Once you know how to get it off and get it off, then you can easily put it back on. Actually, Grandpa was able to do it himself
That one
when
out.
I was busy.
You're gonna put a new bolt in there?
no, I'm gonna put some Loctite on it.
But blue Loctite?
Yeah, because you don't want to torque them too much. You want to torque them about half the torque that they would normally take, because the head is always growing by a bunch because it's aluminum.
Okay.
And so that's why it breaks the bolts off.
Oh, okay.
Because the head's always going like this.
Contracting and
Yeah, what they did was they've just completely discontinued these heads. They decided that these heads were so much trouble that we're just gonna discontinue them.
right.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it for that. I think we got all of them now.
Yep. And there it is. We'll have to. Don't think we showed you removing that part right there. We have to put
Long
2 bolts
really.
back on it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's a nice one. That's how I was able to. I used that long extension right there, and I hammered on a socket, as he said, actually on 2 of them. One of them, the head was just so worn, and the other one had snapped off.
Can't get on that one. They gave me the wrong bolts, you know.
Really?
So yeah, they gave me the wrong bolts, and so there you have a whole story.
All right, so these are the ones that they sent with the kit, and they are too long. They bottomed out.
Yeah.
So he's just using the old ones, and we only had 2 good old ones. So this cover is only going to be held on but in 2 places, which is okay. It'll hold it. But just so y'all guys know, ours got messed up, and we're not the right ones.
Yeah, and I'm tired of messing going back to the parts store.
Right.
So
We've been to O'Reilly's enough for this
really.
project. And stuff for around here.
Mark is going to hook the exhaust manifold back up. And we got some new hardware. See?
Do that.
Show them the new hardware. Oh, see? It's got enough for both sides.
Yep. I'm starting them on the top here. Get that out of the way. Okie dokie. Now I'll pull my part up.
Pull the flange up.
And clamshell it together. Oh, my hand's stuck in there. You almost need small hands to do this.
You might want to put one on the first one that you put in.
Maybe that looks. Alright, we go. Nope.
Well, you're gonna have to hold it. Here, I'll help.
The whole...
Okay, here's the 14. Here's the 3/8 drive ratchet thingy. And go ahead and just give her a spin. There you go. You're on.
Let's see if she'll spin around. Is it going?
Yeah. Okay, now do the other one.
Are they going even?
Okay, you gotta have to loosen this one up a little bit.
Loosen this one? Okay.
It doesn't look like this backside's fully seated. Like.
Well, we can start it up and see.
Okay. All right. Let's test. See if we fixed our problem.
Try pushing that bolt. We're good.
That sound a lot better to you?
Oh, way better. Way better.
It still sounds a little bit loud. Something.
Yeah, it's on
The
this
other
side.
side.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do that side today because we don't have any more bolts.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to put the fender well back in. Let's see what we can do with the fender well.
All right, we're just putting under this wheel well.
Okay.
Kind of basic, you know, because it's. You just hold it up in there and
Right there.
push in these new clips that we got.
And we can tell them what clips will work, you know.
Yeah, if they work.
If these clips will work. I think these clips will work.
Good.
Yeah, because they were kind of odd here. I'll explain this to you. I went to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Whoa, hey, and I was looking for clips to put my fender well back in, but they had a whole bunch of different ones and not exactly specific for mine. So I got these GM quarter inch screw rivet assortment, and it's 961045D, and these work.
Yeah, just some clips. We're gonna.
And they give you six per box, and there's 12 of these in here. So I got enough of these to just replace all of them.
Okay, so we'll take 12 and we'll just redo them.
Yeah,
Put up that fender.
Yep.
Then we'll replace that rotor. I'm thinking.
here.
And then we'll show you when we're done.
And that is how it's done. Right, John?
Just leave it run.
Yeah.
Don't shut it off yet.
Yeah, we have to let the alternator charge it back up.
Yeah.
And that was how to.
That's how you fix this on the manifold.
Yep. That was how it's done. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Come back next time.
Yeah, the book pays you 1.8 hours to do that. And how long were we working on it? For 10, I think.
10, I think, yeah.
And then it's 2 of us, so that's 20 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you were mostly filming.
Yeah, I was mostly just filming. Alright, well, that was fun. We got it done. And until next time, have a good day.